Hello friends, welcome to Coding Shiksha. So today in this tutorial I will be telling you that how to use the jsPDF AutoTable library. So this is a specific table plugin for jsPDF library. So jsPDF allows you to convert HTML documents into PDF. So with the help of this plugin you can create these tables. You can see that you can provide stripe theme or grid theme, or you can also create plain tables. So the link of this library I have given in the video description. You can go to this GitHub repository, and after this you can download the zip file of this. Download this plugin here, zip file. After downloading, just open it. So inside this a folder will be there. So you need to go to the dist directory, and this is the file that is needed here, JSPDF plugin autotable.min.js. So copy this file and paste it in your working directory. So I will paste it here. So you can see that two files are there, index.html and this the second file of the plugin. You also need the jspdf.min.js file also. So let me just go to the source here and let me see if jspdf.js is available or not. Let me open the folder. First of all, close this folder here. Open the folder. This is there in the exam directory, htdocs and upload video. So this is the folder. So this is the index.html file. Let me delete all the code from here. So you have to write this HTML head. So let me give a title to it, JSPDF AutoTable plugin. So after this you need to include you can see that the instructions are there. So first of all you need to include this jspdf min.js file. So we can just take the CDN of it. Go to Google and type here jspdf CDN, content delivery network. So lots of CDNs will be there. So just copy this script source and paste it this CDN. After including JSPDF, we can include the JSPDF AutoTable library. So this is the library. That's it. Now open the body tag. After the body, we will write the custom JavaScript in the script tag. So go back to the documentation here. So in the script you need to write this code. First of all, we will be initializing the JSPDF library. We will be making a new variable of document, and we will be initializing JSPDF. This is a constructor method of it. You can see that. After this, we will be invoking this function of AutoTable doc.AutoTable. So in this curly brackets we will be passing the HTML attribute. So here we will target the table name. It is targeting by ID. So here in the body we need to create this table here. So after this you can add some entries here. So I can just copy paste the code here and show you. After creating this, we can add the heading to the table, name, email, country, and we can add the rows here. So this is the first row, second row, and so on. You can add this, and lastly we are saving the JSPDF with the table.pdf name. Now we need to create the table here. So let me go to examples here and show you. So you need a table here. So this is the table that you need to create. Table ID you need to give here. So we just need a element of table here. So in the body, just write here table and give it a ID of my table. So now if I load this URL in the browser here, so you will see that instantly a file is downloaded here, table.pdf. If I open this file, so you will see that a table is generated with the theme called as striped, and I can also even add some more entries to it, that is Gautam and Sharma, comma India. If I reload the page, another file is added. You can see that this row has been added here. 3 rows are there. So in this way you can add as many rows as possible in this table, and also you can change the theme also of the table. So you can read the options here. You can also add some styles here. These are the styling options. Theme, you can give the theme option here. So let me give comma here and theme. Let me give plain theme to it. Now if I reload this page here, so you will see a plain table appearing because I have given the plain theme. Now if I change this to grid, so it will be appearing in a grid manner. You can see that this is a grid theme and the default theme is striped. So this is the default theme that was there, striped. So not, if you don't write anything, this theme will be automatically be assigned to the table. So in this way you can use JSPDF AutoTable library to generate awesome looking tables. So thanks very much for watching this video.